हेलो यूट्यूब, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल इंडियन स्नीकर हेड। तो आज हम आए हैं यार एक नई अनबॉक्सिंग लेके। आज की अनबॉक्सिंग है ऑल द स्नीकर्स अंडर द बजट ऑफ 5000 रुपीज़। सो येस, आई हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ DMs आस्किंग अबाउट सम गुड पेयर्स दैट यू कैन गेट इन दैट बजट। सो मैं कुछ शॉर्टलिस्ट करके लाया हूँ। मोस्ट ऑफ दीज पेयर्स आई बॉट फ्रॉम मिंत्रा. I bought from Adidas website. You can also check out Veg Non Veg and Super Kicks. So I will link it down all these websites or all that Adidas website in the description. So now let's start. So okay, so first thing first, सबसे यार मतलब जो इस रेंज में किंग्स माने जाते हैं, those are Vans and Converse. So I have got this Converse pair. This was for ऑल ऑफ दीज पेयर वर ऑन डिस्काउंट मोस्टली. तो ये मिंत्रा से लिया था. इसका MRP इज नॉट मैंशनड. या सो दीज वर फॉर अबाउट 25 और 2600. सो दीज आर स्लिप ऑन्स, तो इनमें लेसिस नहीं है. दीज हैव सम स्ट्रेचेबल मटीरियल इनसाइड. यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली पुट योर फीट इन दिस. So these are the first pair, Converse All Stars, very classic pair. And to go side by side, we have these Vans. Again, similar colorway, similar style. Both are of the same style. These cost a little more. These were for about 4,399, so 4,400. Both of them very clean colorway, all black colorway with slight hints of white. You can never go wrong with these pairs. तो ये हो गए हमारे starters. Converse, low top, high top also you can get in that budget if you are lucky enough to get them on Myntra with a discount. You can also check Ajio.com also. So ये हो गए यार हमारे basic Converse और Vans. तो इनको हम साइड रखते हैं. Next, this is a Nike Blazer box. So MRP of these are 7,195, but I got it on discount and these were for about 5,100. I went 100 over the budget, but that's fine, I guess. So look at this beautiful pair of the Blazer lows. So you can see the colorway. There's slight hint of blue. This is of suede material. The swoosh is in orange. This is leather. The back heel tab is in yellow color. This is also leather. And this is also of something similar of those style जो अभी हमने देखे, जिसमें Vans आता है और Converse आता है. ये similar style है, but Nike's take on it. You can see that unstitched tongue जो कि Virgil Abloh से इन्होंने कॉपी की है. I can say that, I guess, कॉपी की है. Virgil Abloh is no more, guys. So the creator of Off-White and all the Off-White legacy is no more. So that was a very disheartening thing for the sneakerheads and very good things for resellers, I guess, because now his pairs are going off the roof. The prices are insane. Let's continue. Now I have this pair. The MRP of, so the name is Superstar. This is a Superstar pair. MRP is 8,000. I get it on 50% off from Adidas website. So I got it for 4,000, and this time the pair is a Superstar. So you must have seen this pair. So when they were a little hyped, you have seen a lot of people wearing fakes. So in India I have seen like hundreds of people wearing fakes in single day. तो ये इतना पॉपुलर शू था यार. अब इसकी बात करें तो ये वीगन है, तो इसमें वीगन लेदर यूज़ हुआ है. कोई भी एनिमल बेस्ड लेदर नहीं है. ऑल vegan leather यूज़ किया गया है. The colorway, all the people prefer all white colorway in this, but I personally like them in black. So these are made by Stan Smith, and you can see the Superstar branding here. So again, very classic sneaker, very classic colorway, all black and white. You cannot go wrong with these. Now let's continue with the Adidas vibe. So I have one more pair from Adidas, another very coveted pair, very beautiful pair to look at. These are the Continental 80s. So I got it in a women's colorway because I like this colorway. There were many other Continental 80s sitting on the Adidas store. or Adidas website, but I went with these. So let me tell you about the MRP of this pair. Again, the MRP is 9,000, but these again were for 50% off, and you can look at this pair up close. This is a very beautiful pair, all white sneaker. So when going for sneakers under 5k, you should prefer all white or all black or something like that, because those are easy to maintain. All whites are slightly harder to maintain, but yeah, you can maintain. You can check out a video of mine in which I have showed you how to clean the sneakers. So let's talk about these. These are the Continental 80s. You can get multiple colorways. This is a very classic pair of Adidas Originals, and for 4,500, I don't see a reason why you shouldn't buy these. So as I said, instead of buying those fakes, you should go for all these sneakers. Now the last pair for tonight is another Nike pair. These are the Nike Air Max. The MRP of this pair is 6,000. I got it for around 30% off. So again, somewhere around 4,000 was the price of this pair. So this is the pair, guys. You can see that Air. I don't know if you can see through it or not, but this is a see-through Air cushioning which is used in the Air Maxes. The colorway is mostly grey upper with red swoosh and black outboxing. Very classic pair, very beautiful pair. Nonetheless, this is again something that you shouldn't go wrong with, because it is easy to clean. You can simply wash them using soap or detergent or whatever you want to use. So guys, these were all the sneakers. Let me show you once again quickly. First were the Vans and the Converse. Both were under 5,000. Around 4,000 was the price for both of the sneakers. Then we saw these Nike Blazers. Again, very classic sneaker with the unstitched tongue. Then we had our Superstars. Then we had our Continental 80s, and lastly that this is the Air Maxes. So do tell me in the comment section which sneaker among these is the one you like the most. Now let's get to the giveaway part, which I think I should have said something about in starting also, but let's go. You have a chance to win any of these pairs in your size, and all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, comment your sneaker size or which pair you want. If you win the giveaway, we will be doing the giveaway once we reach 500 subscribers, so it's a little you have to wait a little. But yeah, the giveaway is on the way, guys, and this is not the only giveaway. There will be one more giveaway of a SB Dunk High soon. For that, I need to reach a little higher in the subscription count. So let's end the video. If you want to win a pair among these pairs in your size, then do comment, do subscribe, do share the channel, and keep loving, keep subscribing. Thank you so much.